Hi, ako nga pala si Ben Nicky Ken, or in short, Ben. Ginawa ko tong video na to for introduction sa mga upcoming plans ko na gumawa ng animation for fun. Now, let's talk about me. I am a newly graduated student from my school, and now I am a freshman college student. Mahaba pa naman before the first day of class. So, napagdesisyonan kong gumawa ng animation. Yay! Ah, well actually, matagal ko na tong gustong gawin since 2019 pa pero hindi natuloy. Dahil isa na rin ako sa mga na-inspire ng animators nung pinapanood ko pa sila. Yung una ko pa talaga pinapanood si Ashino Animation, kung naalala nyo pa. At si Jen at yung mga iba pa. Sila talaga nagpapasaya sa akin nung bata pa ako. At dahil sa kanila, I'm gonna try this out for real. So, by making this channel, I would like to share some stories about me and my experiences. And kapag naubusan naman ako ng kwento, I'll probably share some fictional stories that I made. So ayun, that's it for now. Medyo humaba na yung script ko eh. I hope you guys enjoyed this short intro. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in the next video ko. Peace!